Welcome to a microscopic look at our body's cells, highly organized units working in harmony. Under normal conditions, each cell follows a strict code that governs its growth and division. Occasionally, genetic mutations arise within a cell's DNA. These errors may be caused by chemicals, radiation, or random chance. If the cell's repair mechanisms fail to correct them, the cell may begin an abnormal path. When a cell loses the ability to regulate its growth, it can proliferate rapidly. These rogue cells form a tumor, initially microscopic yet capable of overwhelming nearby healthy cells if unchecked. As the tumor grows, cancer cells secrete signals prompting the formation of new blood vessels, a process known as angiogenesis. This influx of nutrients and oxygen accelerates tumor expansion. Cancer cells evade apoptosis, ignoring cues that would normally trigger self-destruction. These mutations also increase growth signals, giving malignant cells a survival advantage over healthy tissue. Growing tumors can disrupt normal tissues by secreting enzymes that degrade structural barriers. This invasive behavior permits cancer cells to breach tissue boundaries, damaging nearby organs and tissues. In advanced stages, some cancer cells escape into the bloodstream or lymphatic system. This spread, called metastasis, allows tumors to establish themselves in distant organs, complicating treatment and prognosis. Cancer arises from a series of mutations that collectively grant cells unchecked growth, survival, and invasive capabilities. Advancements in research and treatment aim to disrupt these processes at their core, offering hope in the fight against cancer.